Today, I will guide you on how to create these social media profile images for free. First, go to the Bing website using the link provided in my description. Once you arrive, log in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create a new account using your email. Once you are on the Bing website, click on the Images section and then select Create. This will redirect you to the actual page for image creation. Once you have arrived on this page, copy and paste the prompt from my description into the prompt section and make some edits to reflect what I am currently doing. Once you have made changes in the prompt, click the Create button. It will generate images within a few seconds. Now that we have the results, click one of the images to zoom in and see how it looks. Use the right side arrow to view all those images. You can now download or customize these images, but before doing so, let me show you how the remaining social media images look on this website. Now, you can either download or customize the images. I'm going with the Customize option. Once you click on the Customize option, you will have multiple options to customize, including the ability to remove the background. If you look at the right side, you have multiple examples based on your image. If you find one you like, click on it. On the left side, you have options to select templates, import your pictures and videos from your system, add visuals, headings, and even drag a particular part of the image. Once you have made your changes, choose the type of image you want and download it.